I am so excited to share with you this full house deep clean. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, Sarah, didn't you just move into a brand new home? What can you possibly be deep cleaning? Well, let me tell you guys, there is still so much building going on, and there was so much like building dust and all sorts of like just weird, gross dust, muck everywhere. And so it was in desperate need of it. And so I filmed this for you over a couple of days, and I'm so excited to share with you how things are looking and how we're making it work in this new space. So if you are a minimalist, or if you love watching minimalist videos or cleaning videos, this is the video for you. Whenever I am deep cleaning, I find it so easy to discount those daily tasks like making your bed or putting your dishes in the dishwasher. All of that still counts. Even if your deep cleaning is the icing on the cake each day, don't forget to count all of those little things you do each and every day to keep your home tidy. As you can see, guys, I have this cute kangaroo print on my floor, and I leave it there purposely because it needs to be put up in my kids' room. And sometimes I leave things in a really obnoxious place, so they drive me nuts till I get that task done. So if that is you today, I am totally there with you. I think tidying a room is totally underrated because I think a room gets absolutely transformed by just putting things back in their homes. And of course, wiping down things and getting things super clean is super satisfying as well. But there is nothing quite like that transformation of getting everything back to its right place. I am totally about getting a job done and letting go of perfection, and on this day I was cleaning a couch that my children should not be eating on, but they obviously have been, and so I just swept all of the crumbs off this couch onto the floor because I knew that my robot vacuum would come in and suck them all up. So if you need to take some shortcuts to get the job done, I am totally here for it. Okay guys, this is the study nook at the front of our home, and to be honest guys, when we moved in, I thought this room was the biggest waste of time. But it has turned into one of my favorite spaces. It is such a great place for me to bring a kid down if we're doing some hard schoolwork, or to sit down here and chill out and read. We just love this space. I feel like my Manhattan print fits perfectly. The only thing that is a constant struggle for me is these black chairs. I think that they look amazing, but let me tell you guys, the camera lies. There is so much dust and hair that gets on these, it drives me crazy. I think messy kitchens are just a factor of life. No matter how hard I try and keep it under control, it always eventually looks like a bomb went off after each and every meal. But I'm super pleased that it is really quick to get it back to good again. And then, like I said before, I don't do all of my deep cleaning on one day, but I do make it the icing on the cake and try and tackle a few of those jobs every single day. don't know about you guys, but I never struggle to fill my dishwasher, whether it is just a regular dishes or it's those things that come out so well in the dishwasher. I love to put all of the pieces from my coffee machine or vases or anything that's been left out for a little while that's a little dusty. If I have some space in my dishwasher, that's what I fill it with. I am still totally in love with my Smeg coffee machine. I absolutely love the way it brews coffee, but I also love how good it looks up against these white subway tiles. But it does tend to show up every little ground of coffee, so I do like to give it a good top to bottom. And then when I'm needing to give it a descale, I just chuck a denture cleaning tablet in and it's good to go. I'm going to be 100% honest, I deep clean my sink way more than necessary because I find it so satisfying. So if you are like me and enjoy a shiny sink, I popped this clip in just for you. Recently come to enjoy the versatility of denture cleaning tablets. Now these guys are like the cleaning superstar. You can chuck them in your toilet or your coffee machine and they get rid of any of those hard water stains with literally no effort from you. Get so easily distracted that whenever I am doing a cleaning task, whether it is bathrooms or kitchens, I try and do all of the jobs in that room while I'm there. So things like swapping out the hand towel, getting extra toilet rolls, the whole shebang. If I can do it all in one go, it means I won't forget to come back later. One of my favorite things about this house is that there is no glass shower screens and these tiles are much easier to take care of. And I usually just give them a good spray down, a little bit of disinfectant, and then I squeegee them off and they come up good as new every single time. So as much as I love the bathrooms in this house, the light colored grout in bathrooms and actually all the floors has really tested my cleaning ability. And I have found that this grout cleaner and this amazing grout cleaner brush are the key to revitalizing that grout back to its light self again. Oh my days, if you are building a house, here is my one piece of advice. Do not put in super light grout because it is a lot of work. I recently got the best gift of my life, and that is a robot vacuum that also mops. So part of my new cleaning routine is making sure I lift everything up off the ground so he can come through and give everything a good vacuum, and he mops at the same time. I just pick everything up, and as long as there is nothing on the ground, he will get every inch of your house. I just got this beautiful deer print from IKEA, and I call these girls Nancy and Maude, and I am in love with them. I know they won't be everyone's cup of tea, but I just love the grey, white and black. It just makes me super happy. I am just clipping the mop attachment onto our robot vac and sending him on his way. One of my favorite things about this guy is that he also empties himself when he's finished. If you are in the market for a robot vacuum, this guy is totally amazing.